So this is your girl Gaza from the Asafin first runner up. Yeah, I was a more shot with TV. On your quality TV. Gaza, me say so. Make it happen.
But I'm Ghana for moment here, DBS. I'm at the center of what's here. Mahama person, Palm Chief Justice, Senator Beya, Obeko for a third term. The Pacho, Saturday, the Marani idea.
And look what they say, government communication minister for, you know, communication, Honorable Phyllis Kwacho for so they are better just no creep biasa.
Onokra one can you? Kwacho for so one can you?
I don't know guess what can I say.
John Mahama be to me a seeking for billion terms. I am Ghana constitution I would the media you never to me constitution no you say who person also some bibi wo mu afako ha emra na yetro you know you say a justice so to forbears attorney general ne judgment no or throw wo mu say constitution no and you just text to say ne da he then you are why
me them is so honorable can
first year I say a living organism capable of growth. Into no constitution, it will say any. And you say attract one and one no. So if the president thinks that the term limit no, Ghana, we be to meet the constitution now call parliament. Say parliament. Me feel say Ghana no. I will say you term limit free so. We be 100 terms. Kana confront some power. Also what transport development. Yamra da ho. Enye John Mahama the share Samra no.
But for now, dear.
For now, no John Mahama. On make us as about me per se. Ade no ko bi etrim say. Nya ye de say John Mahama petete or petete omu ya lawyer for. Emu nim nyamra ne ka. Emra ne say John Mahama feel so per se o tena so bi mu a on famra parliament obo ba beto yan wo ho. Yan ye behwe ade no aka say okay emra no ampa ya change mra na yan say wudi president obetumi edi akụ ise ubewu ana access say kura ye nto aba wo Ghana ye betumi akọ parliament aye mra say Ghana kura ye nto aba biu ya tan no betumi aye mra say Ghana ye nto aba biu obene into no say no but me preempt omo sorry mo bi ehun say enye John Mahama na abehye saa mra no eye mra da ho it is a parliament approve ye the mra ba na say parliament approve say ampa ade we yasesa ni nya the numbers to do it we be ka say hwan na MPP for you say speaker into men to aba he fa no mo kokko ye say speaker betumi ato aba omo de mra na no mo de court omo say speaker betumi ato you say he levy no mo de court you say birth certificate ye to men fan to aba e betumi de ato aba omo de court enya mra kro na no mo use but every time they be so be use the same emra ni be we say hey Dabi,
no say no more cases. I'm not corona. I say, one penny person seeking for interpretation. Or most to say one shot no more that interpretation. That could mean so bit me as I am.
No, your court never interpret. Yet, think you may more 9090. Court to Supreme Court 90. Yet, I say I could for the court a election petition 5 minutes near can we some coffee and coda. The nursing Juanjo or the few court to her or regional few press conference. Wanjantum also mejitum I don't know me no mo yagbe but mejitum or the coffee John Mahama or no so the election petition ko you see Jimensa oh yeah easy boss omba na yem bisa na some MPP for said that yama Jimensa nkasa wo court ho omo ye yama Jimensa nkasa enya mra kro na say do say NDC for the as NDC for the Ghana ha ebi omo so dia constitution no yema obi intro position
no easy no na kan say won kasa na say MPP na
omo defend omo make sure say yema Jimensa nkasa wo court ho you follow this case.
EC is an institution on its own.
They ensured that the Electoral Commissioner will never testify in that matter when cross-examine Electoral Commissioner no.
But no right to do so. The Constitution.
No person obey. In our backing of time, you know, and so they decided that they will not allow her. They will not allow the friends opposition for no defense lawyers, you know, to cross-examine her, and they didn't. They used the same law. But
do you think, sir? Now the opposition party no feel some money yet.
It's not 3 days here. I'm feeling some right, baby. And not 3 days here. MPP also mini permanent enemy, mini permanent friend.
So
that be in terms of politics.
Okay.
Like
now, real life.
Real life. But politics me the mini permanent enemy, mini permanent friend because I didn't know about China. We be what I say. Mini permanent enemy. mini permanent friend asam na ye kan and down 4 months ya amoko position mo hu say obi person manipulate mra no how many times ye Akufo-Addo ye president o yi Charlotte Osei no and yet the same process ye the chief justice suffer so the first yi Charlotte Osei ye the petition by ye o say tenanchen na ye investigation obi na opamo no wa ma na bicycle baako end of service benefit wa ma ni bi. Charlotte Osei went home after many years of working. She went home with nothing. But pacho NDC for ne there omo appointees no sebe omo ye nipa Domlovo ye eguma ye find way the pamo Domlovo yes ye yusu mra.
So do you see it as a revenge?
Na Ghana na aye say no ye to abanasa wo party na wo ho no elusu election a obi a wo baby a park onioma. This is yes because that is the system no krani ya ba kope ye kan omo ye kan mamu ye Charlotte Osei o mamu ye nipa ba ko ye ade wo Charlotte Osei case mu ye kwaku ba ko o kan no onu say ono de in some way no we say or you aligned to them in some way
aligned to him for
to MPP for no but even he onu kwaku ba ko said it over and over say sadie we mamu ye Ghana friends Odia no
Ghana had
ye Charlotte Osei
independent
ye Charlotte Osei ye Domlovo ya kan mamu ye Domlovo auditor general mamu ye no they removed this man afidie nfu abemu no nipa no start say onu obeye ne dia usi hey Adentina ono de monye na MPP for no me nipa chen NDC for na
but honorable who say when it comes to the judiciary I want to a bit sensitive I want to say
ya ko bisa Pope Benedict say time now onu fu ho na Pope Francis edaye no nipa na no Pope Benedict eye adwuma no na Pope Francis do me even Vatican Pope ya obe fa na nkrofo you check Obe racial for the nkofo mu ono abeya racial for nkofo ofu so betum ni omo ayegma even Vatican enti no say mo aba power as MPP na mo feel say mo people that you can work with na mo yi nkofo a but obi so aba ono so open nkofo betum ni omo ayegma mo na ha nkofo mo twasa esana president na mo create ato ono eno na cause this problem.
Oh, so you think say they created
of course na MPP for ya no jata ba na mkoto na achi omo are it is yes One my yet Ghana hey ayi Afarijan or EC boss for so many years or the Rollins by power Eddie Kufuor by power Eddie MC John Mahama right at the Mills
no after yes
or the Mills by power first time na then Ghana has a Ghana for so month to Obama one opa for my EC boss opa for EC boss Ghana for better abetial and I don't know why people and politicians we don't learn. Oh, we don't learn. Whatever you do, what time so say Ghana for so month to Obama one opa wa gina hona kenkan aban wa we candidate ye isi ube lusu. So I don't know why you didn't maybe chichiri ye hu bebre na yaya na afie beduru ha. This is where we are.
Okay.